If you need to contact Claude support, the first thing to know is that Anthropic does not provide a public customer support email for general account issues. So instead of searching for a direct email address, the recommended method is to use the Claude Help Center support messenger. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that step by step so you can reach the right support channel quickly and avoid wasting time. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy guides like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, sign into Claude by going to Claude AI and logging into your account. Once you're inside the Claude dashboard, look to the lower left corner of the screen. You should see your profile name or your initials there. Click on that profile area to open the account menu. From the menu, select Get Help. This will open Claude's help and support options. Now, in the support area, click Send us a message. This opens the support messenger, which is the main way to contact Claude support for account-related questions and issues. Next, type a clear and detailed description of your problem. The more specific you are, the better. For example, explain what you were trying to do, what happened, any error messages you saw, and whether the issue is affecting your billing, login, subscriptions, or general use of Claude. If your request needs human review, the support system may escalate it automatically. In that case, you'll receive a response by email, so make sure you use the correct email address associated with your account and check your inbox regularly, including your spam or promotions folders. One important thing to remember is that you generally should not look for a public Claude support email because Anthropic routes most general support requests through this messenger system instead. That makes it easier for them to track your issue and respond properly. So to recap, the process is simple. Sign into Claude, click your profile in the lower left corner, choose Get Help, select Send us a message and explain your issue in detail. Then wait for the support team to respond by email if human review is needed. If this video helped you understand how to email Claude support the right way, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.